1. Basic symbols. Roman numerals are represented using 7 basic symbols, I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, which represent 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000 respectively. Two. Repetition. A symbol can be repeated up to 3 times in succession to add up its value. For example, 3 is 3, 1 1 1, and XXX is 30, 10 B1 10 plus 10. Three. Subtraction. When a smaller numeral appears before a larger numeral, it is subtracted from the larger numeral. For example, IV is 4, 5 minus 1, and Ni is 9, 10 minus 1. 4. No repeating subtraction. A smaller numeral cannot be used to subtract from a larger numeral more than once. For example, you cannot write IIX for 8. Instead, it should be written as VIII. 5. No subtraction for V, L, or D. Subtraction is only allowed for the numerals I, X, and C. This means you cannot write VL for 45, 50 minus 5. Instead, it should be written as XLV. Six. Only one subtraction group. In a Roman numeral, there can only be one subtraction group. This means that if a smaller numeral is placed before a larger numeral for subtraction, no other numeral can come between them. For example, 49 is written as X like 50 minus 10 plus 9, not IL. 7. Grouping. Roman numerals can be grouped to represent larger numbers. A smaller numeral before a larger numeral is added to the larger numeral. For example, VI is 6, 5 plus 1, and LXX is 70, 50 plus 10 plus 10. 8. Larger numbers. To represent larger numbers, Roman numerals are combined. When a smaller numeral appears after a larger numeral, it is added to the larger numeral. For example, XVI is 16, 10 plus 5 plus 1, and DC is 600, 500 plus 100. 9. Order. Roman numerals are generally written from largest to smallest value, with the exception of subtraction rules, e.g. IV, Ni, etc.